Today, we're diving into the top 5 electric SUVs set to absolutely wow you, with stunning designs, insane performance, and next-level tech. Whether you're looking for luxury, speed, or long range, this list has something for everyone. So buckle up, because the future of driving is electric. Number 5. Kia EV9, the family-friendly futurist. Starting off strong, we've got the Kia EV9, the electric SUV that's redefining what a family car can look like. This beast combines bold SUV styling with a futuristic edge, featuring a boxy, muscular design and those signature star map LED lights that make it look straight out of a science fiction movie. Inside, it's all about comfort and sustainability. You'll find recycled materials, rotating captain's chairs, and a massive panoramic display stretching across the dashboard. Performance? The EV9 can deliver up to 379 horsepower and goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds with the dual-motor AWD setup. Plus, Kia promises over 300 miles of range, and thanks to its 800-volt charging, you can juice it up from 10 to 80% in just about 20 minutes. Number 4. Rivian R1S, the adventurer's dream. If off-road adventure is your thing, this one's for you. With quad motors, that's one for each wheel, the R1S delivers up to 835 horsepower and a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds. It's got 14 inches of ground clearance, water-fording ability up to 3 feet, and all the tech you'd need for rugged adventures. Plus, the interior feels premium but practical, with a minimalist design and tons of storage. Rivian's also rolling out a new software update that improves range and adds even better driver assist features. The R1S is truly an electric SUV built for the wild and the wild-hearted, or anyone who wants space and style in one futuristic package. Number 3. Mercedes EQE SUV. Luxury meets efficiency. This one's for those who want an electric SUV that doesn't compromise on comfort. Step inside and you're greeted with the Hyperscreen, a massive glass panel stretching across the dashboard. Depending on the trim, you'll get between 288 and 677 horsepower, with the AMG version hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds. And let's not forget, Mercedes' energy-efficient heat pump, advanced navigation, and intelligent regenerative braking make the EQE SUV as smart as it is luxurious. Number 2. Tesla Model X Plaid, the tech titan, the SUV that's still shocking the industry. With a tri-motor setup, the Model X Plaid cranks out 1,020 horsepower, hits 0 to 60 in a mind-blowing 2.5 seconds, and has a range of up to 333 miles. The Falcon wing doors are still showstoppers, and inside, you've got Tesla's signature minimalist interior with that massive 17-inch touchscreen and gaming-level entertainment system. Whether you love or hate Tesla, you can't deny, the Model X Plaid continues to set the standard for electric SUV performance. Number 1. Lucid Gravity, the upcoming game changer. Lucid took the world by storm with the Air sedan, and now they're bringing that same ultra-luxury performance to the SUV world. The Gravity is expected to deliver over 800 horsepower, a range beyond 400 miles. Inside, it's all elegance. Glass canopy roof, premium leather-free materials, and a next-gen infotainment system that feels more spaceship than SUV. Lucid's goal? To make the Gravity not just another electric SUV, but the benchmark for what electric luxury can be. So there you have it. 5 electric SUVs that are about to change the game. Which one impressed you the most? Drop your pick in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow car lovers.